Hey.
Oh, hell no. Are you sleeping here again?
No.
Dude, Kevin already said
look.
this has to stop.
I stayed last night to work.
Dude, stop the cap. You've never worked
No,
through the
for
night.
real. I heard what you said about needing like an iconic theme for the show, and so I stayed. I made something. Like something special.
man.
I feel like a jerk now. It's actually wow, I mean, okay. Well, let's hear it, man. I just wanted you to know, like, I listen. I care, dude. The show, like, means a lot to me.
Elite steps into the ring, lights dim but no cheers. He's counting his subs while holding back tears. His brother's the star, he can't catch the glow. And Kevin runs the show cause he's scared to say no. 1, 2, oh, the count's running thin. He's jealous inside but won't let it win. 8-15, but his pixels are cracked. He's the underdog champ who keeps looking back. Oh, the count's running thin. He's jealous inside but won't let it win. 8-15, but his pixels are cracked. He's the underdog champ who keeps looking back.
That took you all night.
Yeah, I mean, I worked hard on it.
This will never, ever be the theme
every
song
time.
to this show as long as I live. It will be a cold day in hell before I let this song play
Kevin already
at
played it.
all.
1, 2, oh, the count's running thin. He's jealous inside but won't let it win. 8-15, but his pixels are cracked. He's the underdog champ who keeps looking back. Oh, the count's running
And welcome
thin.
back
He's
to
jealous
1,
inside,
2,
won't let it win.
ooh. You know the moment. The chills down your spine. That gong hit. The glass break. The violins. I'm talking about the perfect theme song. And today, we're covering my top theme songs that I couldn't imagine any other wrestler walking out to. Let's get into it. My first pick, The Undertaker. Rest in peace. There's nothing like that gong, that slow, haunting build. Rest in peace isn't just a theme, it's a death march. When The Undertaker debuted this version of his theme in the early 90s, it cemented this supernatural, undead presence. Fun fact, WWE's Jim Johnston designed it to sound like a horror movie score. Mission accomplished, my man. No one else could walk that slowly and make a stadium silent. It's legendary. Stone Cold Steve Austin. I won't do what you tell me. When that glass hits, the world stops. Stone Cold's theme is pure aggression. It's rebellion. It's middle fingers and beer. Composed by Jim Johnston again. It's basically a Texas rattlesnake in music form. The theme helped Stone Cold become the face of the Attitude Era. Try giving that theme to anyone else. It's not gonna work because you don't just hear it. You feel it. Julia Hart, the House of Black. Julia Hart's rise in AEW has been low-key haunting. Literally. Her theme, part of the House of Black's presentation, it is slow and dark and cult-like. It's not just a song, it's a mood. The lights dim, the fog creeps in, and you feel that you're entering her world. This is one of the best examples of modern themes doing exactly what it needs to do. Bulk atmosphere and an identity. Kane, Slow Chemical by Finger 11. Now, this is how you evolve a character. Kane had multiple themes, but Slow Chemical brought depth and danger to his unmasked persona. Figure 11 gave it this brooding, disturbed vibe that screams psychological monster. It's rage, but contained. It fit that version of Kane like a glove. A big, flaming glove. Shinsuke Nakamura, the Rising Sun. The theme is pure theater. Shinsuke Nakamura doesn't walk to the ring, he performs his entrance. The rising sun feels like it was built around his charisma, the violins, the rhythm. It's unlike other themes in wrestling. It's dramatic, stylish, and unmistakably Nakamura. All right, this next one I know is going to get me a lot of heat, but it's almost impossible not to add it. It's so iconic. It's Hulk Hogan, Real American. I know. Okay. Say what you want about this song, but the second it hits, it's literally pure nostalgia. Real American wasn't just Hulk Hogan's theme. It was the soundtrack of the 80s wrestling boom. WrestleMania, red and yellow, posing for 10 minutes. This theme captured an entire era. Nobody else can touch it without looking like a parody. MJF, Better Than You. This one is pure swagger. When that symphonic buildup hits and MJF walks out like he owns the planet, you feel the arrogance. The theme screams, "I'm the main event." Classical, yet smug as hell. It's tailored for him. Nobody else could walk out to this without getting booed out of the building. Well, unless they were better than you. And we know they're not. Goldberg, Invasion. 2 words. Intensity and impact. Goldberg's theme doesn't need lyrics. Just that pounding drumline and sirens. It feels like a SWAT team is coming to demolish somebody. From the moment the locker room door opens, the crowd is on their feet. The theme isn't just iconic, it's dangerous. You know I wasn't going to make this list without jumping into the Bray Wyatt universe. The Wyatt 6 current theme. This one's new and already unforgettable. The Wyatt 6 entrance theme is less of a song and more of a psychological trip. Static, whispers, warped tones. It's the horror core in audio form. It doesn't just signal a wrestler, it signals dread. You don't watch that entrance, you survive it. Swerve Strickland, Big Pressure. Whose house? Chant hits. Light strobe. Swerve walks out, draped in confidence. This one right here, coolness personified. Swerve Strickland's Big Pressure isn't just a theme, it's a vibe. That beat drops and you already know what time it is. It's sleek, it's sharp, and it feels like a warning. This man is not to be messed with. The "Whose house?" chant turns the crowd into part of the entrance, and that's what makes it iconic. It's hip-hop bravado with a main event edge, pure swagger, pure swerve. I'd be crazy if I left this song off my current list. Jey Uso. Main event Jey Uso didn't just break out of the bloodline, he broke the mold. And when that yeet hits, you already know. The vibes are about to switch up. The beat, hypnotic. The flow, fast. And the hook, main event ish. It feels personal. Like Jey finally got the keys to his own kingdom. This isn't just a theme. It's an anthem for someone who's done being in anyone's shadow. And the way this song brings the crowd to their feet, people ask it to keep going for 10 minutes sometimes. Legendary. So there you have it. 11 songs so iconic, so tied to the wrestler, there's no mistaking who's coming to the ring. Did I miss any that hit you in the soul? Drop your picks in the comments. Let me know what themes deserve to be in the top tier status. And of course, hit that sub, smash that like. I'll catch you next time on 1, 2, ooh!